Okay, good morning, students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so let us just do some revision class. Okay, we will just discuss about the previous classes that we have taken, especially in offline. Okay, because most of the courses will complete there itself. So, anybody knows what do you mean by physiology? What do you understand by the term physiology? Anyone can say.
Physiology is the branch of biology that deals with the normal functions of living organisms and
Yes.
their parts.
Such as organs, tissues, or cells. Itu ছিল, no? So Albrecht von Heller. So he is known as the father of experimental physiology or modern physiology. Which is the correct answer?
Experimental physiology.
Okay. What about Carl Ludwig? Carl Ludwig is the father of.
Modern physiology.
Okay. So do you know what is cell physiology?
Study of the function of the cell.
Yes, very good. Yeah. So how many kidneys do we have?
2 kidneys.
2 kidneys. Okay. How many ureters do we have?
2 ureters.
Our urinary bladder. 1, 2, 3. How many urinary bladder do we have?
1.
1. Okay. What is the function of urinary bladder? Anyone? Function of urinary bladder. What is the function of urinary bladder? Bhaboklang. Nobody knows the function of urinary bladder?
Ma'am, to store urine temporarily.
Yes, they store urine. Okay, so that is the most common function and important function of a bladder. Okay, so now you tell me, where is the hepatic flexure of the colon located? Where is the hepatic flexure of the colon located? Of the small intestine located? In between the. It's located in between the ascending colon and the transverse colon. Okay. Can anyone tell me the organs associated with the kidneys? The right kidney. Superiorly, what is there in the right kidney? Anyone? Superiorly, what is present? Yes, say.
The right adrenal gland.
Okay, very good. Anteriorly, what is present anteriorly?
Right lobe of the liver.
Hmm.
The
Yes.
hepatic
Hepatic
flexure
of the colon. Okay. And what is present in the posterior side of the right kidney? What are the organs?
diaphragm.
Yes.
Abdominal wall.
Yes, posterior abdominal wall. So before I have given you 5 muscles. Okay, names of 5 muscles present in the posterior abdominal wall. Does anyone remember the 5 names? 5 muscles.
Pillar
Hmm?
IACUS.
Iliacus. Then
ESOS, EOS, major and minor, and quadratus, lamborium, and diaphragm.
and diaphragm. Okay. So now you tell me in the left kidney. Left kidney superiorly, what is present in the left kidney?
Adrenal gland,
Okay, left adrenal gland. Anteriorly,
spleen, stomach, and pancreas, juice, jejunum,
and the splenic flexure of the colon. Okay. Yes, and posteriorly,
drive,
what is present? Huh.
drive, and adrenal wall,
Yes, muscles of the posterior abdominal wall. So all these things are present in the right kidney and the left kidney respectively. Okay, so these are the organs associated. Next, coming to the functions of kidney. What are the functions of kidney? Ishan and all, you don't know the answer?
Formation of urine,
Yes,
regulation of osmolarity,
yes,
regulation of ion concentration,
yes.
regulation of pH,
Hmm.
then excretion of waste and toxins,
Yes.
production of hormones,
Hmm.
regulation of sodium and potassium in the body,
Okay.
vitamin D synthesis. Kidney
Synthesis.
are also responsible for final conversion of inactive form of vitamin D to its active form. That
Hmm.
is 1 to dehydroxyl.
Cholecalciferol. Okay, very good. So in the investigations, we have seen that the urine specific gravity. What is the normal value? Anybody remembers the normal value of urine specific? Yes. Say. What?
1.010,
Hmm.
1.030.
Okay. And what are the methods of assessment?
Multi-dipstick test, urinometer, and
Tometer.
refractometer.
Okay. So in the renal function test, there was sodium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonate, BAN, and creatinine. So what is the value of chloride?
98 to 107 m equivalent per liter.
Equivalent per
Per
liter.
liter.
Okay. Bicarbonate, Malvina Wycombe. Do you know bicarbonate value?
Yes, ma'am. 24 to 28 milli equivalent per liter.
Okay. What is the full form of BUN? BUN.
Blood urea nitrogen.
And what is the normal value?
70 to
70?
uh,
7.
sorry, 7.20
Hmm.
milligram per deciliter or 2.5 to 8.0 millimole per liter.
Okay. Rashmi Sonowal,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the value of creatinine? Do you know?
Ma'am, 0.6 to 1.2 milligram per deciliter or 60 to 125 millimole per deciliter.
Okay. So what are the ureters? Nafishisha?
They are fibromuscular tube that connects the kidney and the bladder, and the urine form in the nephron. It drains into the ureters.
Yes.
It is about the length of 24 to 30 centimeter,
Yes.
and it is 3 to 4 millimeter in
Diameter.
diameter.
Okay. And what are the names of the three narrowed portions of the ureters? Ila, Sarah, Bla.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uretero-pelvic junction, ureteral
Yes.
part near cranial segment, and
Yes.
ureteral vesicle junction.
Okay. Uh, Rich person present. Rich Karpan. Okay. Salam Girija.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the functions of ureters? Any two functions?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell?
It is to transport the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder, and it is involuntary movement of the muscles. Muscles in the ureters.
Say.
Ureter walls continuously tighten and relax, forcing urine to downward away from the kidney.
Yes. Okay. Now, Srijana,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the organs associated with the urinary bladder? Anteriorly, posteriorly, superiorly, and inferiorly in female. Not in male, in female.
Ma'am, anteriorly the symphysis pubis,
Yes.
posteriorly the uterus, and superiorly the small intestine, and inferiorly the urethra and the muscles forming the pelvic floor.
Okay. Sanctum chi. Sanctum chi Marag.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me organs associated with the bladder in males? Can you
Ma'am,
tell?
prostrate. Hello,
Say
ma'am.
clear. Yeah, say.
Is it prostrate?
What? Okay. Wait, Sengamchi, I guess your network is not good. Ishan? Can you tell organs associated with the bladder in males?
Pardon?
Can you tell the organs associated with the bladder in male? Anteriorly, posteriorly? Can you say?
Ma'am, organ related to
Do you know or not?
I don't know.
Huh?
Ma'am, associated with bladder. No, I don't know.
Yes. No. Darshana,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Anteriorly, the spire SYM
Symphysis.
pelvis, and posteriorly the rectum, and the spinally SEMIL physalis, and superior the small intestine, and inferiorly the utera and the posterior gland.
Okay. So now I will just discuss with you few MCQs. It is from the previous year questions. So, okay. Okay. I will just give you a few questions. Okay, you just try to tell me the answers. The glomerular filtration rate, okay, GFR, will increase if, I will give you 4 options. If the circulating blood volume increases, okay, if the afferent arteriole increases, if the afferent arteriole decrease, and if the plasma protein concentration decrease. What will be the answer? Any idea?
Ma'am, repeat the question once again.
The GFR, that is the glomerular filtration rate. Okay, the glomerular filtration rate will increase. Okay, will increase if, I'll give you 4 options. Option 1, if the circulating blood volume increases. Okay, number 2, if the afferent arteriole increases. Number 3, if the efferent arteriolar resistance rate decreases. And the last one is if the plasma protein concentration decreases. Any idea? So the correct option will be plasma protein concentration. When it decrease, the GFR will, the glomerular filtration rate will increase. Okay, so the correct answer is the plasma protein concentration decreases. Next one more I will ask you. Let me ask you the wait for 1 second. Name the 2 large intestine. Okay, name the 2 large intestine. First option is duodenum, jejunum. Second option is ileum and rectum. Third option is anal canal and the colon. And last option is rectum and duodenum. I guess I have given you the names for large intestine and small intestine. So do you know which is the correct answer?
Ma'am, the options.
Options.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, where did it go? Name the 2 large intestine. First option is duodenum, jejunum. Second option is ileum and rectum. Third option is anal canal and colon. And the last option is rectum and duodenum.
Anal canal and
Yes, anal canal and colon. So this is the correct answer. Next. Okay, so all these things, it will be a bit difficult because you all, I can't give, I have to give you the options, 4 options, and you might not recall all the options. Do you want the MCQs?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have you study from the notes that I have given. Okay, but I'm telling you once again, the MCQs that I have collected. Okay, it took me so much of time. It took me almost 1 day because we need to collect one by one from the repository. So it took me lots of time to collect. So I want that you all should go through the MCQs very properly, because most probably the questions might be set from here only. So I want all of you to concentrate and also to study well from the MCQs along with the notes that are being given. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is why even yesterday's micturition class also I have taken at the very end, so that I can just complete. And from micturition and osmoregulation and all, there are not many questions that were put last previous year in 2018, I guess, or 2019. I think 2019. So because of that, the questions might be a bit new to you. But if I give you the MCQs, I think you all will be able to study. So I will give you the MCQs in your WhatsApp. You all can go through the MCQs. And along with few questions that are there that I have collected, you can also go through those questions also. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for all this, I just wanted to take one class today, okay, like a revision, and also I wanted to tell about the MCQs. So for that reason, I wanted to take a class. So I think we can just end up here. Okay, MCQs I will be giving you shortly. I have to make few changes in the MCQs. I will just do the corrections and then I will send you all. Okay, you all please study well, and also give your exams properly. Write your enrollment number properly. Many of you still does the same mistake regarding enrollment number. Wherever capital letter should be used, you should write proper 2019 to 20 or 20 to 22 batch, like that. Okay, you write your enrollment numbers properly and try to log in also at the right time. And when you are sitting for the exams, please go to a network coverage area. Okay, because many times because of network issues, students, they fail to give their exams. They are not able to submit on time. And also some of them, they are not even able to join the link, because of which there is lots of problems. So you, at the time of exam, please try to set up a network coverage area, because you all will know where there is good network in your location. So try to go and appear your exams properly. Okay, all the best for all the subjects. Try to pass in all the subjects with good marks. Okay. Anything you want to ask?
Marks will be 16, ma'am. Marks will be total marks 60.
Total marks, I guess it will be 60 only. I don't know, because it will be set through the IT. Okay. Any questions regarding any topics? Say fast.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then all the best. And thank you to all of you. Study well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You all can leave the class now.